take off.
Hi guys, this is Premster14 and today we are at Super Select, which is on Bane Road in Pune, and today we are here to check out a very special car. It's the Aston Martin DB9. This is one of the rarest cars of India and it's rarely been spotted ever. Even I didn't know a yellow color Aston Martin DB9 exists in India. So this is a 2012 model and surprisingly it's just done 1700 kilometers. That's just insane, guys. This is really a hidden gem of India. When we come towards the rear, you can see the badging right there, the Aston Martin logo, and you have dual tip exhausts. And the exhaust note is just glorious from that naturally aspirated V12 engine. Now it's time to step inside the car. Another speciality of all Aston Martins are that the doors open at an incline, which resembles the Aston Martin logo, and also if you open and there's a curb on the side, it won't touch. Wow. So here's the interior of the Aston Martin DB9. You can see this is the place where you insert the key and that's how you start the car. There's no gear lever or any sort of thing. Over here you have the P for parking. Just turn the radio down. You have P for parking, R for reverse, that's where you start the car, N for neutral, and D for drive. You have your seat adjustment over here with 3 memory function. Another small quirk, over here you have a pen from Lamy, and it is just a small detail that Aston Martin puts inside. There you can see a ball pen, and surprisingly you also have baby seats behind, but I doubt even a baby can fit inside. Quality inside is top notch. Over here you can see this is completely metal, and the paddle shifters also have a metal feel to it. I'm not a great fan of this wooden veneer on the dashboard, but maybe you can wrap it. You have leather, soft touch leather obviously. As I've opened the hood, and here you can see the glorious naturally aspirated V12 engine. It's a 6-liter V12 engine producing about 470 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque. It's just insane, guys. This is actually a gem because in this day and age you cannot find a naturally aspirated V12 engine. It's so rare. Now I think it's time to hop inside and take her for a spin. So let's go. So hi guys, quite excited to drive the Aston Martin. So here's the key, foot on the brake. The last Aston Martin I drove, I think, was the Aston Martin V8 Vantage, and now this is the V12 DB9. So quite excited. You press the D and then pushes forward. The amount of refinement this car has is just unbelievable. I mean, if not India, you can definitely daily drive it. If not India, you can definitely daily drive this V12. You have to look out for the bad roads. This is in complete normal mode. Now I'll have the sport mode activated. I think after 3000 RPM is when the valves really open up. Wow. Bad roads, bad roads.
What you gonna do when they come for you?
You can see the smile on my face. Have a nice open patch of road. actually understand the feeling. You have the traction blinking constantly. The way this thing is planted on the ground and the way it sticks to the ground, you have that confidence to take the corners. And we have a bad bump. I hope it doesn't touch. And we have cleared it. Whoever buys this car is going to be one lucky dude. This is actually the second time I'm driving a V12 engine. The first one was the Aventador S in Hyderabad, but this has a complete different feel to it. I mean, there is no comparison between both the cars. It's the best in their own leagues. And we are back. This was a small 5-kilometer drive, and this was definitely one of the best drives I've ever had. Yes guys, this is it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this small video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe, and also follow my Instagram handle. It's down in the description, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.